So if you wanna boost your picture and clear it up from this to this in just one click, then stick around till the end. First of all, let me show you a demo how it works. Select your picture and click this button and you're done with it. It's so amazing, right? I know, that's why I'm making this video. Lol. Okay, now which app is this and how to get it? It's pretty simple. You just have to go to Play Store and search for Remini and install it. But wait, don't install it right now, cause it's a free version and you will face too much ads over here. So you need the pro version. But we all know we need to purchase the pro version, but nothing to worry about that. You just need to open Instagram and search my account, plus hit the follow button. Okay, then message me Remini and you'll get it within 2 to 3 hours. Alright, after allowing all the permissions that this application wants, select your picture and you'll have two buttons. First one has different edited versions of your photo. You can check it out, but I suggest to click the second button. And you will find a major difference between the original and edited ones. Alright, after you're done, hit this button and it will save to your gallery. Hope you all like this video. If did, give us a big thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching.
No.